Kasing Hinyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization Hito, Kalalitor Shaka Office ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board Mspcb, Halum Pingat Shillong, Bandawa Khot Biang ka Jingsngap Paidbah ka public hearing, halor ka Jingpan Jingbit ka company Megha Top Cement Private Limited, halor ka Jingkeno bakila Shak Hanglat ka Jingsngap Paidbah, Kabala Pyllong ka Pratarik Mentau Benai, Hashnong YAJR East China Hills District. President ke Hito ubat dan bok dekat ulakan no baya ka Jingsngap Paidbah kabala Pyllong hakat pratarik lalong kumbala Pyniaid ki Gunda da Pollution Control Board namar ba shimla ailat bakin pasngawi kimat watla kilalich ketika jaga Henry la Shakhang lentino Ulaong ba kaseng gadawai ka Meghalaya State Pollution Board bakan Pyllong Biang ka Jingsngap Paidbah kanang ban ailat ikiwei bandra ka Jingsngau jongki
Gawin ka concern dito ng
kani ke isu kam dai re ke Andre kami mariang ke dai ke jongki
bro
ha te menta lada kilong against ngi long opos bro arliang kumut ngim dai ke interest no Demand is already clear since we announced previous day that we will march to the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board because they didn't allow the public from those areas, especially some villagers. They came to us, then they urged, they request to send the message to the Mspcb to tell them that they are not being allowed on the public hearing. So as a concerned citizen, as a concerned leader of the Hinyotrap, we feel that every citizen, especially from the affected area in that Narpo Baijer, so we feel that their justice should be done. So we came here to demand justice for them and to recall the public hearing once again. Let's be clear because we didn't get to enter that day. From ourselves, we saw, since the volunteer there is unknown miscreant, but the Gundas, so I think the public hearing is conducted by some Gundas, not from the Mspcb or from the district administration. Because of far flung area, we didn't saw any administration, neither police or neither the administration from the district. And we want that the public hearing should be conducted in the DC office itself, so that they can maintain the law and order. And plus that even the people, if they invite only two from us also, we are happy. If they invite one also, we are happy. And along with those affected people in that from the particular place, Waijar, it doesn't matter whether they oppose or they are with the Megatop, but what we want is, we want that everything should do in a proper way.
It was done.
People who are there, who have used, when they raise the placard, I don't think that they understand even the words there.
Okay, so you...
Let's be frank, who conduct the public hearing? Is the Mspcb? Then what's our point to go and knock the door there? If you want publicity, we will go there, but this is not for publicity stand, but this is a voice to save our motherland from tampering it. To be clear, because in the comment section, some people, they don't understand the real nature, the real motherland. Why we have too much still here? Because from the Hito side, we went there and stay overnight. And the main part hurt us the most, that we have to board the water in that area. So just imagine how those people suffer there in those areas. But they don't dare to raise the voice because some mafia and Gundas already dominated that area. And let's be free and frank, many of the pressure group, as alleged, they die. I think you have seen how they die. Even recently, even that lawyer, he died. So let's, if the law is there, let the law take its own course. But what we feel, this is very dangerous. But we, as the son of the soil, as the son of our Hinyotrap, we will never back down. If we have to give our life also, we will give, so that our generation will have the right and they will witness the mother nature of the Hinyotrap once again.